Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. So for today, we will learn about how to add menu to your Android application. So many of you may have already familiar with this type of menu. So creating this menu is relatively easy in Android application. So the three dot menu is simple menu enough. And then in order to create it, you need to have a little bit knowledge on XML file editing. Then you also need to use menu inflator class to inflate the XML menu in the Android application. So let's start with our code. So here is our code. Okay, we will be using an empty activity for our template for today. So it will begin with nothing but the simple main activity. Okay, it doesn't come without the floating action button. Even it does not come with the floating action button. And then when you run the application, you will notice that the application will be launched, and then it will display an empty activity without even a menu. So this is the example. Okay, empty activity is hello world, even without the menu, right? Menu at the top right. So our objective to add the menu, just like the Google Play Store example that I've shown you just now. So to create a menu, you first have to go to the REST. Okay, REST folder. You have to create a menu resources. To create menu resources, you need to create a directory over there or a folder if you're from a Windows user. And then this is how you create a menu folder. And then next, you have to create select new and then select menu resource file. Okay, and then that's all. And then you type your menu. Okay, this is what we call as an option menu. Okay, option menu. Right? Okay, option menu and app or app bar menu. Okay, this is not a contextual action button yet, but it's called an option menu. Okay, and then you click OK. So here you can add a new menu item, right? Or a menu button, right? Here you can add a menu button. Okay, and then you can add another also menu item, and then drag your menu item, and then add another menu item. So you can have 3 menu item or 4 menu item. Either way, it's up to you. And then you can edit the title of the menu. So what actually is contained in the menu? So you can put anything on your menu. Okay, just like now, you can put your update, play protect or setting, just like in the example, or you can put in your own option. Okay, I'm just going to run down some example over here. So what actually you should put inside the menu? So sometimes inside the menu you want to put your search. Okay, you want to put your search. You can go here search. Okay, you can type here search the title, and then for the icon you can go and select the icon or the existing drawable, right? You can put here the ready-made icon. Okay, I see menu search, right? Like here. Okay, and then you can either set it the flag as show as action or not. Right, for now we are going to leave it just like that, right? Okay, and then for the second item you could put something um, like about or settings. So we try to put setting. Okay, settings, like set. Okay, for the icon you can search for the ready-made icon for the settings, right? If it's nothing to be shown off, you can look for other resources that can denote settings. So you could use info or gear. Gear, iconography or any iconography. So if you want to find an icon that could put on the menu, you should put here IC menu. So IC menu is a list of predefined icon that you could put inside your menu. Alright, you can look here carefully which of the icon that are suitable that can be put on the settings. So we can choose manage, right? Manage. And then finally, okay, other setting would be can be about, right? About or help. You can put here about or IC menu. You can put it still here IC menu and then see look for an icon that is suitable for, to put as about. So in this case, I usually would prefer to use info. Okay, info menu. Okay, info menu icon. Right, IC mean icon. Underscore menu is menu. And here it can be rotated and so on. This is what I like about nowadays Android Studio. It gives you a lot of option to create, be creative. Right, that's all. Okay, for the how to put a menu. Right, right. Don't forget to save it. Okay, and then you need to code it. Right. So in order to code the application, you need to inflate the menu. So to properly inflate the menu, you need to put this directive. So I'm not sure if I could enlarge the view to the fonts. I could at least enlarge the font to 16. So I enlarge the view, put here in public boolean on create options menu. So you can put here menu. Okay, menu. Right, I put here menu inflator. Inflator get menu inflator. Then I could put here inflator. So I've already have inflator. Okay, before that, let's look about at the red highlighted means that the highlighted keyword means it cannot resolve the symbol. In order to resolve the symbol, you need to import the appropriate classes. So you can press Alt Enter. Okay, to import appropriate classes. Here we have Android view menu. So here menu inflator. Also you can press alternate enter. Import the classes. Right. Okay. Only then the autocomplete will works properly. So menu inflator dot inflator or okay menu inflator dot inflate. So put here r dot menu dot menu. So how do I get here? R dot menu dot menu. R here would mean resource. So R. And then menu here is the folder for the menu. And then finally is the XML file name, menu.xml. Okay, and then comma menu where I get the menu. Okay, the menu variable came from the method, right? Okay, this is how you do it. Okay, return menu. Okay, then it is finished. Okay, sorry, return true. Okay, and then this is finished. You should be able to get your menu from your sample application right now. All right, over here, and then I'll update it by pressing play. Want to terminate the process. Okay, so here the menu have already appeared. right? And that is how you create the menu. So in the next segment, I will show you how to launch a new activity from this menu, right? Okay, that's all for today. So we'll be seeing you in the next segment.